geese lay their eggs in relative safety, 500 feet up on an isolated ledge. When the goslings hatch, they are hidden. But they're still an easy target for falcons or gulls. And although only hours old, the chicks must leave their lofty haven. There's no food here. But how to get down? There's only one way, and that is to jump. In the perpetual daylight of the Arctic summer, the chicks are very exposed. It's a new world, and they can't fly. Only instinct and parental encouragement can persuade them to make this leap into space. Now the 4 goslings are really alone. But one chick responds to their parents' calls. Incredibly, the lightweight chicks can bounce and survive. Foxes below, gulls above. The last gosling must take its chance. The parents search for each member of their brood, while keeping alert for foxes. The adventurers seem undamaged by their free fall, but one is missing, lost to a fox. 3 have survived to set off on their next journey. A molted feather is a clue to an even stranger phenomenon.